Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of how to tutorials. In this tutorial is gonna be how to make the killing brick. And yes, these are the coins from my last game. Let me quickly put this as server script storage so it can be all gone. Bam and pow. Alright, tell me what should I do next, because I am running out of ideas, bro. I am running out of ideas, and we're so close to 200 subs. We are gaining subs fast. Yeah. I just tell me what should I do next, and I will do it. I might do how to make a dancing NPC, and yeah, let's start. So first thing what you want to do is insert the part, and this part is gonna be the part that you want it to kill people. Alright, so let's start. Alright, so this is your part right here. So you could design the part how you want. I'm not gonna make this into a game, so let me just design it, because I'm not gonna make this into a game. So let me just design it. Anchor, press anchor right here. Anchor basically like holds it up. That's what anchor does. And then design it how you want. Change it to like that, color to that. Alright, whatever. We're not gonna focus on this. And then you could just leave it named part. And then once you do what you want to do, don't insert this. Don't insert this at all. I don't know how it just came. Hold on. Alright, what you want to do is insert a script. Let me search that up. This is very simple. The script is in the description. If you just get the script from the description, you're all done. Alright, this is very simple. So, let's write. So, just, wait, let me get it from my copy and paste bin. Hold up. Alright. It's not working. Hold on. Alright, let's try again. I actually went to it and bam, it worked. Alright, so let me go over the script. Function, space, onTouch, open bracket, part, close bracket, enter, local, space, humanoid, space, equal, space, part.Parent, FindFirstChild, open bracket, humanoid, close bracket, if, space, open bracket, humanoid, squiggly line, equal, nil, close bracket, space, then, space, dash dash, if a humanoid exists, then humanoid dot health equals 0, space, dash dash, damage the humanoid, enter, end, script, enter, script dot parent dot touch, connect, open bracket, onTouch, close bracket. And now there's nothing other better than do than just testing it out. So let me just make a spawn point right here. Hold on. Alright, so I spawn right here. Hold on. Alright, let's say a player doesn't know and you're doing like a troll lobby, and then what you want to do is, let's say you want to go do parkour, you jump on it and bam, straight away you die. You die, guys, like that. So this is how you make a kill brick. Coding is included. Please subscribe, that will really help the channel to grow. I will do probably how to make a dancing. What does this do? I never have been on Roblox for ages, man. Does slash edance still work? Yep. Alright. So, yeah. Just subscribe and hold on. Let me show y'all something. Alright, guys. So we have 166. Just a week ago, we had like 108 or something, and now we already grew to 166. Like, this is actually insane, guys. Keep subscribing. I want to hit this number. Hold on. I want my subscribers to look like this. I do not actually have 200, guys, still, but I want my subscribers just to look like that, bro. Just to look like that. So keep subscribing, like, subscribe, share. Peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, special like, why not? See y'all next time. Peace out, guys. What should I post next? Peace.